Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to stop people from adding you on Snapchat. So if you keep receiving random friend requests on Snapchat and you want to stop people from adding you on your Snapchat account, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to stop people from adding you on Snapchat, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Snapchat application. Click on the Bitmoji at the top left, which is your profile icon. Select settings at the top right. Scroll down. Keep scrolling to get to privacy control and then click on see me in find friends. Once you selected see me in find friends, make sure show me in find friends is disabled. Go ahead and uncheck it. Once that's unchecked, find friends help friends find each other on Snapchat. But with this disabled, you no gonna appear on quick add on Snapchat, even with mutual friends. So once you've unchecked show me in find friends, then you're good to go. So that is basically how to stop people from adding you on Snapchat. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.